Okay, we are at Detroit Metro Airport and there is nobody here, which is good for us. Time to check the baggage in. Okay, here we go. Off to TSA. Yeah, our bag was over like 4 pounds. We're usually pretty good about that. I don't think it's ever been over. So we had to stop and take some things out, put them in our carry-ons, and we ended up at 49.5 pounds. Okay, after a couple of changes on our flights, we missed the day because the connecting flight overlapped. We are finally on our next stop, Boston, and we got an hour layover there, and then San Juan. See you there. Okay, made it through TSA in about 30 seconds, and there's nobody here. All right, so do we know a gate? Let me look at my phone. Yes. And
Is that video?
Okay, here's the airport.
We're here. People in
6, this is where we got, yep, right here. San Juan, Luis Munoz Airport. I feel like I'm home. We are?
home.
All right.